Are you looking for the best stand mixer? In this video we will look at some of the best stand mixer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. KitchenAid Stand Mixer. KitchenAid has a hard-won reputation for producing some of the best stand mixers out there, and this is our top pick of all the mixers we review today. You get a huge choice of colors, so there's no excuse not to get something that perfectly complements your design scheme. At just 325 watts, this is one of the least powerful models on our shortlist in terms of wattage, but that does not translate to a mixer that will leave you short of firepower. An ergonomic sliding control gives you a choice of 10 speeds. Adjust these at any stage of mixing, from a very slow stir right through to a quick whip. The 5-quart mixing bowl is made from hard-wearing stainless steel, and gives you more than enough latitude to whip up mid-sized batches of ingredients for a smaller family. If you have more substantial capacity requirements, we review plenty of beefier stand mixers below. In common with many larger companies making great products, KitchenAid has a poor reputation for customer care. This gripe set aside, there's not much else to knock about this stand mixer from the brand's enduringly popular Artisan series. Number 2. Cuisinart Stand Mixer. Alongside KitchenAid, Cuisinart is the other powerful player in this crowded market segment, and this highly capable stand mixer is another great option. Capacity is 5.5 quarts, so you're getting more than enough space considering the compact form factor. This mixer is a great bet if you live in an apartment or have limited space in your kitchen. It would also work well in a dorm room. While this is not the most generous bundle, you'll have all main bases covered, and you can't ask for much more considering the overall performance on offer here. There is also a power outlet for attaching optional extras are required. These are available separately, so explore the rest of the Cuisinart range. 12 variable speeds allow you to stay in total control, matching the pace of mixing to the food in the generous bowl. Put simply, this is one of the best stand mixers you can find from a brand you can trust implicitly. A few customers complain about dry ingredients smearing onto the sides of this mixer, but that's about the extent of the blowback in a sea of positive user testimony. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. Hamilton Beach make a wide variety of affordable kitchenware and robust appliances that are always among the cheapest in the sector, but without ever stiffing you on the performance front. This stand mixer is quite small, so avoid this if you're looking to bake larger batches for the whole family. For singles, couples, or anyone making smaller batches of cookies or pizza, the limited capacity is offset by space-saving dimensions. The head is designed to tilt up so you can more easily access the bowl. This streamlines both adding ingredients to the bowl and changing attachments. The bowl is stainless steel, so it will withstand plenty of punishment, and it's also super simple to keep clean. The detachable extras above are all safe to slide in the dishwasher for hands-free cleanup. As an added kicker, despite the budget pricing, you get the same mixing mechanism here as you find on KitchenAid blenders, giving you enviable performance at a fraction of the cost. The planetary mixing action channels the ingredients all around the bowl, while minimizing the amount of food that sticks to the sides. What's not to love? Number 4. Aqua Stand Mixer. Aqua serves up one of the best looking stand mixers out there, and it's fortunately not a case of form over function. Striking from a design standpoint, this stainless steel stand mixer comes in a choice of bright colors to add some fun to your kitchen. Under the hood, a potent motor rated at 650 watts gives you one of the most efficient mixers in its class. Rugged plastic housing keeps the copper motor firmly in place and protected, while it kicks out relatively little noise too. At 76 decibels, this mixer is not whisper quiet, but it shouldn't disturb the neighbors. The voluminous 6.5-quart bowl allows you to confidently work with larger batches of ingredients, streamlining your food prep and reducing the effort you need to put in. One of the primary benefits with this model is the tilting mechanism on the head of the mixer. This makes it easier to remove the attachments and the bowl itself. Whether you want this stand mixer for your home kitchen or as a gift for a loved one, it will return years of service and a seamless mixing experience. While this might not be the cheapest stand mixer up for grabs, it's undoubtedly one of the strongest options at your disposal. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. If you like the look of the above KitchenAid model, but can't quite stretch to the steep price tag, the first of another pair of blenders from Hamilton Beach is up next at a much less aggressive price. While most Hamilton Beach gear is solidly built, this blender has a lot of plastic parts, and several users have complained about build quality issues. The 300-watt motor generates more than enough power for a compact stand mixer like this. The 4-quart capacity is impressive considering the scaled-down dimensions of this thing. The planetary mixing mechanism ensures all your ingredients are evenly mixed rather than smeared around the sides of the bowl. Hamilton Beach markets this model heavily on the basis of it featuring the same mechanism as KitchenAid mixers. This in no way implies an affiliation between these two companies, and you shouldn't be overly hung up on this claim. Overall, despite not being the perfect stand mixer, this model is not without merit, and it's also one of the most affordable models in this market segment.